Rakshasi Lankini. Lankini is a powerful Rakshasa demon that guarded the doors or portals to the Rakshasa Tala dimension. In Hindu Aaiyyanist theology, she was once the gatekeeper of the Brahmaloka, but became arrogant in her duties and treated her companions badly, so was sent down to guard the Rakshasa Tala. In Aaiyyanist Hinduism, there is not really such a thing as good or evil, as we are all part of Brahman. We believe in positive and negative energy. Positive energy stems from acts such as love and forgiveness. Negative energy comes from selfishness, greed and arrogance. Thus Brahma decided to send Lankini where she belonged. In traditional Hinduism, the act of exile was said to be a curse that could only be broken if Lankini was defeated in battle by a monkey, Hanuman, but in Dravidian Aaiyyanist thought, Lankini was sent to be the guardian of the Rakshasa realm by choice, and so any battle fought would have no standing on her position in the cosmic hierarchy. Tantric Aaiyanists know that, in order to break down the talas to Brahman, one needs to go through the Rakshasa Tala, and so Lankini is very important in this regard. She is the guardian of this portal, and with Dantan and Kalanemi, they make a trinity of guardians of evil that can open the doors to more powerful demons and gods, such as Kali and Shiva himself. Remember, in Aayyanism, there is no such thing really as evil and good, only positive and negative resonant energies. Once the being becomes powerful enough, such as Kali and Shiva, they have mastery of both negative and positive, and to our eyes, can be considered as neither god nor demon. Shiva, the god of destruction, of the ego, and of the talas and lokas, can bring us back to unity with Brahman. And as such in Dravidian Aayyanist terms, is the most powerful of the Hindu trinity. In Hindu Aayyanism, creation, Brahma, is a simple act of breaking from Brahman. Remaining separate from Brahman, preserving and protecting, is the realm of Vishnu. But merging back with Brahman, in an act of destruction, to kill the ego self, as well as destroy all the realms, all talas and lokas, to fuse into oneness, that is the highest gift of Shiva. How does Lankini fit into all of this? We already know that in this plane of reality, Gaudisaman and Adhavana were the inscribers in this realm. Likewise, to break down the various dimensions from this to Brahman, one needs the help of intermediaries in other talas, dimensions. In the negative sphere, Lankini, Dantan, and Kalanemi are those intermediaries. Hindu Aayyanists have historically known that Vinayaka Dantan is considered a powerful demon that has mastery over the negative energies. But it also requires Rakshasa Lankini and Asura Kalanemi to be able to direct and control that energy. Lankini is in fact the founder, or queen and guardian, of the intermediate dimension, the Rakshasa Tala, between our realm and Brahman, that we must pass through, if we use the Tala route. These three powerful demons are required, in order to break the boundaries between the false reality and the true one. And Lankini's role is pivotal, in that we can invoke her to stabilize the negative energy in our plane of reality and others. Tantric Aayyanists usually call on Lankini to aid them in their control of negative energy, especially if they need a large amount of it. When you converse with the lesser demons in this course, there will be a time when you require more resonant energy, and at that time you will need the aid of Rakshasa Lankini. To summon her, you must follow the instructions in the next section.